I am one exhausted mama. We switched Saf, our littlest, she's 9 months old, from a crib to a floor bed last night. So many mistakes. What do you have? Did you steal one of your sister's Pokemon figures again? I don't even know what that one's name is. I think it starts with a P. Yes. So this is the room now. It's a total mess right now because we pretty much just got her bed out, got the crib taken apart, and worked on getting Safiya to sleep. So nothing is set up the way that we planned for it to be. I didn't get out of work last night until after 7, which means I didn't get home until after 8. So, you know, Scott didn't want to get anything set up without my input. I hear you. I hear you. What is it? What do you want to say? You say hi. Yeah, you waving hi. But yeah, so we pretty much just got the bed in place and then, you know, tried to get Saf to sleep. So what we are going to do is I think we're actually just going to leave the beds next to each other like this. It wasn't my original plan. I actually wanted to move Saf's bed back over where her crib used to be, which is in this cluttered corner right here. I was thinking of moving her bed there, moving the bookshelf to the wall behind me, and then moving the bed back where it was, which was along that wall. And then the wall behind me would also have, in addition to the bookshelf, it would also have a, like a 6-cube organizer shelf where some toys and her clothes are going to go. And while I think that's still a really nice idea aesthetically, I don't think I want to do that just because Safiya really seems to enjoy having her bed right next to our bed. She just took a very long nap after waking up this morning. I kind of napped a little bit next to her. We shared the blanket. Like, I think she fell asleep, you know, holding my hand and playing with my fingers, and she woke up and saw me first and was very excited. So I think I want to try and keep that going for now, because this is a big change for her. She started out in our bed and then she moved to a crib. What do you think, tiniest? Are you ready to go downstairs? Whoa! Are you ready to let the dogs out and get them fed? I bet they're ready.
I'm
Good morning. My name's Ashley, and this is Safiya. She is my littlest, and this is our first vlog, I guess. Yay! She does have a brother and a sister. My son Corbin is 4, and my yeah, I know he's your favorite. And my daughter Luna is 8. They're at their dad's house right now, so they won't be home for another week and a half. They go up to their dad's. He lives about 3 hours away. They go there about 2 weeks, and then they come home 2 weeks, and then they go back 2 weeks, and they just kind of go back and forth like that. So yeah, so welcome to our family.
One eternity later.
Hi, baby. Oh, your hair. Are you okay? Did you have a nice nap? Well, that was a very long nap that she had. It was like almost 2 hours, which I wasn't expecting, but she was all by herself in her floor bed. That's great, honey. Yeah, so I'm gonna get her settled, and then I'm gonna put together her cube shelf. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I see you. I see what you're trying to get. Ah! Crisis averted with minimal splash. Sorry, Saf. Where's Passy? This is Penny. Hi, Pen Pen. Yes, hello. What are you doing? Oops. Hi, Penny. Penny likes all the attention all the time. She's so funny. She's always so intrigued by the fact that her car seat is on the floor and then by the dog stuff. Fun fact, Safiya hates being in the car. As much love as she shows her car seat when she's not in it, she hates the car. She used to sleep in it all the time and was generally pleasant. Now she cries in it all the time. I thought getting a rear view mirror, I guess, for the inside of the car, that way I could see her and she could see me, would help, but no, it doesn't. She still hates it. So I think she might have answered me for the first time. Let me see if she'll do it again. Saf, do you want this? Saf. Here, let me see. All gone. You want this? Oh, never mind. She was shaking her head no. Like the first 3 times I offered it to her, she shook her head no and turned away. You want it? You want this? That's her same squeezy from this morning that she didn't finish. You want it? I guess it's not so bad now, huh? Do you want more? Are you all done? Are you just playing with it, or are you trying to push it away? Let's hold it this way so it doesn't make a mess. Is that good? There you go. There you go. It's okay to change your mind. Oh, well, that's not how we eat out of that. Where are you going? She's like a little princess. Saf, is Daddy home? Is he gonna build the shelf because we didn't do it earlier like we set out to do? Are you gonna help?
Hi, welcome once again to another episode of Saf Unboxes Things.
Yes, in this episode we are unboxing a 6-cube shelf.
Well, correction, Mommy, it's a 6-cube organizer.
Whatever.
We're a little bit more bougie than that.
Are we?
No, not
We
at all.
literally are peeling the wallpaper off of our bedroom wall ourselves. In our spare time, not even with any rhyme or reason, it's just happening.
Okay, so good morning. It's the day after we built the shelf and it came out looking awesome. Saf is across the hall here crying because she wants nothing more than to play in here, and she will in a second. But first, I have to show everything off, and I can't show everything off in its clean state when you're just pulling things off of the shelves. So, let me flip around here. I think that flipped. And hi, Saf. Hi. Be there in a second. Hold on. So we come into the room, and our bed is made, and Saf's bed is not made. But this is the new configuration so that she can climb up and down on both beds. As you can see, we've got down here at the bottom some pillows, so that if she does happen to floop off the side of this bed, it's not a 1-foot drop. It's only like 5 inches onto some softer memory foam pillows. And then she's got her bed on the floor so that she can safely come and go as she pleases and get into all sorts of stuff in the room. We do normally have a gate up, but the gate's over there and Saf is being forlorn. Our bookshelf that has been repurposed for lots of kids' books and stuff. Saf may or may not inherit Mini Wally. But this is what we were working on last night. This is the 6 cube shelf. We've got it laid out horizontally. I've got it secured to the wall, and also underneath, you can't really see, but I've got cardboard slats so that it's 100% secure, because Saf does like to climb on stuff. So if we're leaning back and looking, we've got the fan to move air around, and her little cloud nightlight there. Her books are next to it. Our baby monitor, which is an absolutely phenomenal baby monitor. I love the thing. It allows us to talk back to her. It's fully controllable, so you can basically look around the entire room from where it's sitting right there. I can see everything from her bed to the door, just from where it's sitting right there. I'm thinking I might mount it up on the wall there, but we'll see how the layout of the room works. We've got her towels and her blankets and her upstairs stash of burp cloths and bibs, because sometimes she eats up here. So we've got towels, and we've got like sheets and blankets and things like that, and then we've got here her stash of upstairs burp cloths and and bibs, and just overall things for when she's eating up here, which she does, you know, on a decently frequent basis. And then we've got her drawers themselves. On the bottom here, we've got her pants, followed by her shirts, followed by heavier onesies and or sweaters. And then up on the top, we've got some toys for her. We've got some sensory blankets. We've got her little missile. They all do that. I just like doing that. Everybody has come out to say hello. They've all got little smiley faces. This is one of Saf's favorite toys, because she can pull out the things and eat them. And then we've got her basket of balls here. We've got her little coronavirus ball. She's got her little porcupine and her planet ball, and I call it planet because it's got a little ring and it rotates around. She's also got her light up ball that she's playing with in there right now, which you can't see too well because of contrast. But I'm going to let her out of this room, and then she's just basically going to wreck, you know, our room. Hey, Saf. Hey, Saf. You playing with Peppa Pig? Why you threw your ball way out here? You threw your ball way out here. Saf, look. I've got your ball. Oh boy, here she comes. She's like, what is this? Because we don't ever open up the blinds in the room. Saf is more intrigued by her shadow. Oh, it looks like somebody's also getting tired. It may be getting to nap time. I hope it's getting to nap time, because when it's nap time, then I can clean up downstairs. Oh, big floopin'! What's up, B? What's up, B? Hi. Always drool. And always hair in her face, because she resists us putting anything into her hair. Look at your toys. You want to play? I literally set them up so you could wreck them. And you're not wrecking them. You're just eating a bee. You're just eating a bee. She's disappeared. She was playing with everything until I needed her to stop, and I set her into the playroom, and now I guess she's bored of what's in here because it's not the playroom. Because that's where she just went. She disappeared off into the playroom. That is our transformation behind me in the corner there. was her changing table, but we got rid of the changing table because we used it maybe like 4 times. 4, maybe 5 times we used it. I'm afraid of what those sounds are coming out of the playroom. But we used it maybe 4 or 5 times, and then we didn't use it anymore, and all it was a place that we put her clothes, and we had a lot less clothes, as you can tell, than we had space for clothes. And we were just burning through clothes anyway, because, you know, listen, if you're a first-time parent or a first-time dad, you're going to be astounded at how fast you go through clothes. Because I swear she's 9 months, and she's been in 9 months clothing since she was 7 months, which means at 7 months, all of her 6 months clothing was just, like, gone. What did you find? What did you find? Let's find out what she found. Whoa! What did you find? Did you find a TV toy? You found a TV toy. What is it? It's a little piglet? You chewing on a little piglet? You got your bacon? Or is it a bear? I don't know. It's pink, so I'm assuming pig. Look at this floop. And there she goes again.